The program has been selected perfectly, but why the machine is not running? Why machine cannot read the G code which is generated from CAM? This is the common question for those who are working with the CAM platform for CNC programming. Today we will discuss about what is the reason behind these circumstances and how to solve it. So let's get started. Among so many reasons, this is one of the prime reason for not running the CAM programming perfectly in your machines is that your post processor is not correct or correctly selected in time of generating G code. So you have to check that whether your post processor machine or post processor listed post processor is synchronized with your which can read your program. So what is post processor? Post processor actually a function or a processing unit which actually make the code readable for your particular machines. Particular machines has different type of post processor. When we check the list in the CAM platform, we will see that different kind of post processor has been listed there. So let's check how we can change the post processor or we can update the post processor. If we want to jump onto the CAD platform, or here we will showing the SolidCAM platform. In SolidCAM platform, when we go to the CAD environment, CAM environment, we will see that in the portion of machines, there are many post processor has been listed. We can use the post processor from there, or if our required processor is not listed here, we have to download and update it manually. So you can see that there are many post processor has been already enlisted there by default. So we will see that if the post processor is not available here, how can we update it here? We have to download it from website and extract the folder and copy the files from the folder in our GPP tool folder of SolidCAM. So we can select all file from here and copy it to the targeted folder. I have listed the folder link, which folder you have to copy the part files I have listed here, or you can check the video. Generally it is listed in the user section of the in C drive. So you have to copy and paste the files in this GPP tool folder. I have already pasted it here, so it is showing that it is I have to refresh it. So if you have not listed it here, you have to paste it here again. And whenever you are done with the copy and paste, your machine or post processor will be available here, and you have to select it and make the program further. So make sure in time of generating G code, before proceed to a CNC machine, make sure you are generating the G code with correct post processor. Otherwise your machine will not be capable to read the program and your machine will not be run. So by this process you can fix the post processor and you can run the machine correctly. So I think it will be helpful. Thank you so much.